Alrighty, as you can see, I've got an oil drip problem right here underneath my shift shaft seal, but thankfully I've got a new one. I can still get it for this bike, even though it's 40 years old, and thankfully it's not hard to do, so I'm going to slap this thing in. I'm just going to use a couple picks here. This thing actually worked its way out while I was riding during the dirt bag, and it was leaking very badly, so I don't anticipate this being that hard to get back out because I tapped it right back in because this whole seal is worn out. So what I'm going to try to do is basically work this pointy bit in there if I can. I might just try the one because this is a little easier to get in there, and just kind of pry up on the seal, and with any luck it'll move. If it's really tight, you can try getting a screwdriver, not a screwdriver, an actual screw in there. Like drive a screw straight through the rubber a little bit, just so you don't go too far, but then you can use the screws to pull out, or you can drive the pick straight through the rubber and hook the rubber and pull it out. But this is already moving just with the one pick, so I should be okay, and this should be pretty fast. There, it's going. So I'm just kind of twisting and pulling outward, and there we go. That's all there is to it. This seal's pretty jacked. I gotta do this fast so it doesn't just keep leaking oil, because this is kind of below the oil line. I'm gonna try to clean the shaft as good as I can, just to make sure it's doesn't have grit that's gonna get in there when I push the new seal in. Work it in there a little bit with the pick and just try to clean all this out. I don't necessarily want to spray cleaner in there because this is like directly to the engine oil, so I'd kind of rather not spray a bunch of junk into the oil. Alright, ideally you do not want to damage the new seal when you put it on here, so you can use an old plastic bag with some oil, like a thin plastic bag, and just kind of drape that over, and then you can push the seal on. Basically just like a fork seal, so you don't damage it. What I like to do is actually use a little bit of packing tape, and then I'll just estimate where the seal is going to sit so I don't wrap it back too far and I can get this back off easily. But I'm just going to tape this right over the shaft, and it's not going to want to stick on the shaft very well because of the oil, but it'll stick to itself enough. And then I can kind of pinch the outside so it's got a taper to start easier, but so that's gonna just protect it. This is the part number. This is for 79 to 81 XL500S. It may fit other XLs, I don't know, but this is the part number for my bike. So here's your new seal. You definitely want to put the gap side back. So this side where you can see the little spring inside will always go inside, so you have the solid part on the outside facing outward. So I just want a tiny dab of oil on this, which will help it go on. And then I'm going to do a tiny bit of oil on the outside, and maybe even a tiny bit of oil on the inside a little bit to kind of help it go. Maybe my pinky is better suited for that. You can use a tiny dab of grease too. I usually just use oil. Depends, but so again, making sure the hollow side is backward. Hold the tape a little bit and just gently put this over it. Just push it back. And there it goes into place. And now we're going to need something to drive it in. And I can probably get my tape off at this point, and the tape just pulls off. This is actually a seal driver that I made out of a piece of just stock, just steel tube. but you can use an old socket, ideally something that's going to reach the outer part of the seal, because there's like a little steel frame inside the seal, so you don't want to be pushing directly in the middle necessarily, because that's just rubber. So make sure whatever it is reaching on the outside and actually pushing the seal itself. The housing, this should just about be enough. I think it's pretty close. It's a little, I'd like it a little bit bigger, but I think it should go in probably. Should push in pretty easily. There it went. So, and usually it's going to just be flush with the outside of the case, which is right there, and that's about all it needs to do. And you should be good to go. Super easy.